Hello guys, trust you are doing well. I welcome you to Powerland Science and Maths TV. If this happens to be your first time on this channel I talk about science and maths related stuff. So I solve problems related to science and maths, and I also provide systematic lessons on that. And so if this falls within your interest, I'll be very glad if you subscribe to this channel. Then to my old viewers and subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for bringing me this far. Now in this video, we are to solve for the value of x in the exponential equation 2 exponent x plus 1 plus 2 exponent or 3 minus x is equal to 17. Now, so as a culture on this channel, I'll be very glad if you pause the video and try your hands on this, after which you can compare your solution to that of mine. And so let's get into it. Now, we can see that at the left hand side of the equation, we have the same base. The base here is 2, the base there is 2. And so, before we do something to the base, or let's say before we solve this problem, we have to rewrite 2 exponent x plus 1 and 2 exponent 3 minus x. Generally, in one of the properties of indices, it says that if you have, say, a exponent x plus y, it says that this is the same as a exponent x times a exponent y. Remember that when two exponentials are multiplying with the same base, what it means is that you are going to add the exponent. So it means that this 2 exponent x plus 1 is the same as 2 exponent x times 2 exponent 1 plus, now over here you realize that the exponents are subtracting. So it says that if you have a x minus y, this is the same as a exponent x divided by a exponent y. So if they are dividing, you subtract the exponent because they have the same base. So this is the same as 2 exponent 3 divided by 2 exponent x. And this is equal to 17. And so you agree with me that this is the same as 2 into bracket 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent 3 is 8. So 8 divided by 2 exponent x, and this is equal to 17. And so what we are going to do here is that we are just going to let a different variable represent 2 exponent x. After that, we can use the value of the variable to find x. So let's just say that let y be equal to 2 exponent x so that it will become easier for us to solve for the value of x. So what it means is that wherever I see 2 exponent x, I'm just going to replace that with y. So it means that this is going to give us 2y plus 8 divided by y is equal to 17. So the LCM here is y. So I'm just going to multiply through by y. So this will give 2y times y plus 8 on y times y is equal to 17 times y. So this will give 2y squared, right, plus 8 is equal to 17y. Now we could see from here that we could see from here that this is a quadratic equation, and for every quadratic equation the right hand side must always be equal to 0. And so I'm just going to move everything from the right hand side to the left hand side. So this will give 2y squared minus 17y plus 8 is equal to 0. So when you get this, we are just, if you multiply 8 by 2, you get 16. So we are looking for two numbers that when we add or subtract, we'll get negative 17. But when we multiply, you get 16. And you agree with me that this is the same as negative 1 and negative 16. So this will give 2y squared minus y minus 16 y plus 8 will give us 0. So let's go ahead and factorize. So if we factorize, we are going to get y will come out, so we'll be left with 2y minus 1. Then over here we can just factorize negative 8 out. So if you factorize negative 8 out, we'll be left with 2y minus 1, and this will give us 0. And so what we know is that we have y minus 8 and 2y minus 1, and this should be equal to 0. So by this we can see that y minus 8 is equal to 0, where y is equal to 8. Then we can also say that 2y minus 1 is equal to 0, where y is equal to 1 on 2. But we have indicated here that let y be equal to 2x. So I'm just going to equate the values of y to 2 exponent x and make x a subject. So if y is equal to 8, we can say that 2 exponent x is equal to 8. So what we are going to do here is that we are going to change 8 to have a base of 2. And 8 in a base of 2 is 2 exponent 3. So you can say that 2 exponent x is equal to 2 exponent 3. Since you have the same base, we can say that x is equal to 3. So this is one of the values of x. Then also, when y is equal to 1 over 2, we can say that 2 exponent x is equal to 1 on 2. And so 2 exponent x is the same as, generally if you have 1 on a, this is the same as a exponent negative 1. So this is the same as 2 exponent negative 1. Since they have the same base, we can say that x is equal to negative 1. And therefore, the values of x are x is equal to 3 and x is equal to negative 1. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think of this approach in the comment section. Then also I'll be very glad to know a different approach in solving this. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.